Welcome to the course, and today we'll get straight into lesson 1.1, which is counting numbers. So remember, when we're talking about counting numbers, we're talking about counting the number of numbers, which is, say there's a list, just say there's a list, and there's a lot of numbers in here. We're just counting the number of numbers in this list. Okay, so first let's start with a really simple example. Let's say there's a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then dot, dot, dot. There's numbers in between, and then eventually it gets to n. So how do we know the number of numbers in here? Obviously, it's just n. But how do we get that? We know that because there's n numbers. However, let's just do a different example then. Let's say it starts at 5 this time. It goes 5, 6, 7, 8, dot, dot, dot. There's numbers in here, and it goes to n. So how many numbers would be in here? You find that it would be n minus 4 because you still have the n numbers from before. However, you lose the 4 numbers. This list from here on out, like this part of this list and this list, is the exact same. You just lose the 4 numbers. So it's n minus 4. So from this, we can derive a really simple formula. To find the number of numbers, you simply take the biggest number, which is in this case n, minus the smallest number, which in this case is 5, but we're going to be simply calling it a, plus 1. Because if we minus 5, we'll get 1 less than the actual number because the actual number is n minus 4. So this is the simple formula for calculating the number of numbers between two numbers. Let's just call these two numbers a and n, with a being the smallest and n being the biggest. So we'll be testing this formula out in a few practice questions. Fuck, 我这个没有 clear。先就录一个吧。I have no patience for this anymore.